Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable RTT or real-time text on Microsoft Teams meetings. So at first, what you have to do is just go to search and search for Teams or Microsoft Teams. From the best matches, you'll find Microsoft Teams. Just click on it to open it. And after that, from the left-hand menu, just go to Meeting. And just using any link, join any meeting or just create a meeting from here and then just simply join it. Then just fix your camera and microphone settings and then just click on join now. Just give it some time and you will be joined into the meeting. Now to enable RTT, what you have to do is just go ahead and click on more options. From here, you need to go inside language and speech. From here, you just need to click on turn on RTT for this call. Just click on this. You'll get a confirmation dialog saying RTT or real-time text will be turned on for everybody in the call. Just click on turn on. After that, you'll get this RTT or real-time text has been enabled by you for all participants throughout this meeting. All typed conversations in the RTT text box will be recorded, transcribed, and included in the transcript. So you can type anything here and every single audience will see that in the lifetime. So you can type another message and they will see it again. And basically, that is how RTT works. And that is how to enable RTT on your Microsoft Teams meetings. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.